Hello guys, I use my phone Samsung Galaxy J2 version 2018 year. Start unpacking. Open box. Device in the black color. Look him later. And now look complementation. In complementation we have guarantee papers and quick guide. In the box we have micro USB cable and adapter for charging. That's all. Okay, and now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side we have camera, LED and speaker. On the front side 5-inch display, talk speaker, front LED, front camera and sensors. And this 2 sensor key and 1 mechanical key for controls. On the left side we have wall buttons, on the right side power buttons, upside headphone jack and downside micro USB port. Okay. Open back cover. Under back cover we have lithium battery 2600 mAh, 2 slot for micro SIM card and 1 slot for micro SD card for memory. Close back cover and turn on device. TouchWiz launcher. Open settings. Android version 7.1.1, Samsung Experience 8.5, version Knox 2.9. Close settings. Display Super AMOLED. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. Resolution. GPU Adreno 308. GPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 425, this is quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.4 GHz, RAM memory 1.5 GB, internal memory 16 GB and slot for micro SD card. Look results, this is CPU results, CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score, and this GPU test results. Close this and open test Antutu benchmark, Antutu score, multi-touch test, 5 touches support display. Close this and open demanded game Guitar San Andreas and look how guitar works on the device. Default level settings, medium graphic level, game works very bad, with lags and glitches. On this graphic level we can't play. Turn on low graphic level. Only low graphic level we can play Guitar San Andreas without lags and glitches. On medium or high graphic level game not work. Close this, but and face most wanted and World of Tanks works normal. And now camera test. Camera main 8 megapixel, front camera 5 megapixels. And now I show you photos on main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.